The journey of luxury horn handbag production begins here.
Keep them steady, move along now. Clear the chute, we're almost loaded.
Ramp 1 is clear, send the next group up. Affirmative, truck 4 is secure.
The screening is complete, vitals are optimal. All right, finalizing the report. Health verification is successful.
The horns enter large industrial cleaning chambers, where high-pressure water systems and polishing equipment remove all surface impurities.
Production is complete. Distribution is about to begin.
Tracking systems remain active continuously. Distribution operations officially begin. Global transportation starts.
They've outdone themselves with this display.
Absolutely breathtaking. I must see the blue one up close.
Welcome to the launch event, madam. This is our new burgundy model. Yeah, it's absolutely exquisite. The leatherwork is stunning.
The craftsmanship on the clasp is truly exceptional, and the horn material is ethically sourced.
It's stunning. The weight feels perfect.
The texture is just incredible.
Here is your handbag. Thank you for shopping with us today. It's absolutely lovely. Thank you.
Crafted for those who define their own luxury. A true statement piece.
From exclusive boutiques to the global stage, true luxury is always in demand. Experience the prestige.
From strength of nature to luxury craftsmanship.